Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can delete your site titles or your page titles from your site on WordPress. So let's get right into it. Now, what you're going to do, it depends exclusively on the type of theme that you're using. If you're using a block-based theme, that will not have a custom CSS tab, which you would alternatively need. However, in block themes, you can very easily just delete the title block and that will be gone from your site. So for example, if I go into appearance and if I go into themes, I'll try and find a theme that fits best with what I'm trying to show you. So let me just go ahead and search for 2025. That should be good enough. So let me just go ahead and find the theme and activate the design. So let's just wait for that to activate and I'll show you exactly how that is done. Now, if I go over into my site editor and try to edit this, so just go into edit site, that should allow you to delete all your blocks. And up here, as you can see, this is the page title. So you can just select this block and then you'll be able to just delete it. And as you can see, now that was an entire block, so I just deleted everything, but you can very easily find whichever block you want and delete it like this. You can even delete the header and the footer, so you're pretty much set. And yeah, that is one way. The alternative way is you need to go, if you don't have a block-based theme, however, custom CSS is only available for the business plan and up. However, if you do have that and you don't have a block theme, you need to go into appearance and click on customize. And over here at the bottom, you will see a custom CSS page, which you would need to use. You would need to add this CSS code right over here. So let me just enter the editor to show you guys what that CSS code is. You would just need to add this over here. So let me just edit this text. And for some reason, I cannot add the text, so I'll just add it here. And this is the CSS code you need. So .page, .entry title, and in the parentheses display none, and that should be it. Now you might need to change the entry title. This might be page dash title. If you're using any other theme, you do need to go into your site, not into the editor. So let me just leave this. And once you're here, you need to go into inspect element. And once you're here, you need to locate the element, which is the title, and then search for that class name over here in the element code. And once you find it, you just need to substitute the whatever the text was that I added with page title or entry title. Just substitute it with the class that fits best, and that should be all you need to do. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.